Our given assignment was to tell a story over a minimum of 5 different medias, thus creating a transmedia story. Our goal was to merge fantasy and the real world together. We wanted to make the kids not only invested in the story and characters, but also let them imagine that the world actually exists. The imagination of children is important to us, and thus we wanted to give them something that is just theirs to imagine. Our story starts in a child's bedroom. This was made in Unity in a first-person point of view. In here, you need to find the portal that will kickstart the story. Once you enter the portal, the screen will cut to white and an animation will start playing. You're in the monster world and 2 monsters are running at you in panic. It's a devil and Pumpkinhead, and something awful has happened. He and Pumpkinhead explain what happened and why you need to help them, which will kickstart the story. He directs you to Mr. Fluffy's house, where you can find a book that will help you along your quests. In the book, you find out that the world exists because you believe in it. As soon as you start believing, a portal opens under your bed, which leads to the monster world. Problem is, however, that your parents found the portals and are now in the monster world. The parents can't stay in the world because they don't believe in it, and imagination keeps it alive. Therefore, the book explains, you need to find a solution to stop the parents from entering/staying in the world, or it will lose its color completely and fall apart. To help guide you naturally, there is a riddle at the end of the book which will help you go to the board game. Once at the board game, the triplets will guide and assist you to go to the top where the portal lies. But once there, you aren't quite done yet. You need to build a machine to shield the portal from the parents. Rainbow will help you find the necessary parts in the mobile app. Once at the top of the portal, the machine can be assembled and the portal will be shielded. Now you can finally go back home. Before you go though, the masters want to say goodbye and keep a photo of you. With the help of augmented reality, you are able to interact with the monsters through your phone and wave them goodbye. Each one of us drew a monster and worked on different medias. Sanna worked on the Unity game and the animation. Annelie and Chris put together the book, and Fleur and Timo worked on the board game and the app/puzzle. Chris and Annelie started by doing thumbnail sketches for the book, as well as for the backgrounds that we would later use for the projection. They then painted them and wrote the story for the book. They then sent that to the printer. Timon and Fleur worked on the board game and app. They made sketches for the look and feel before designing the board game and its rules. They then got some wood cut out and painted it as needed before assembling it. They made the mobile app using a special prototype app with designs they made in Photoshop. For the Unity game, Sanna downloaded assets, made the walls and then assembled all of them in one room to create the bedroom. For the animation, she turned her monster in vector art and then used Annelie's backgrounds to finish it. She then animated it in After Effects using puppet points. All of this together created a monster world we would love for kids to explore.